Hey guys, this is a 2022 Volkswagen Atlas 2022. To show you guys how to take off this trim panel and that handle. This handle, guys, is a little bit hard to take out, but I will show you guys what tools you need and how to do it. In order to take off the trim panel, let's go to work. You gotta move that piece from there. Move that piece from there. It's right there in the bottom. T27, take it out of there, one of them. Now, there's the number 10 that's up on the knee here. You can't miss it, it's black. It's that 10. You're gonna twist it, you're gonna turn it. That is a 10 socket right there, that's a 10 wrench. You're gonna put it in there. You're gonna turn it down. And then you're gonna take off the trim panel. Go ahead. Once you guys turn that black piece, put the clip puller up underneath the door and pull the door towards you. That's how you do that. Then you're gonna go up with it now. Then you go ahead and undo the wire, the cable. That's how you do that, guys. Okay? That's how you do that. Hey guys, when you guys take off the trim panel, be careful. But these things happen sometimes. As you can see, it just happened. That thing will pop out on you. I'm showing you guys this because this just happened to me. I don't want it to happen to you. Be careful when you take it off. That don't happen. But they could get put back, but you gotta know what you're doing. But just to avoid that, be careful when you take it off. Now I'm gonna show you guys how to take off the handle. I will come back. I have to go put this piece back together. Alright guys, to take out this handle, it's a little bit difficult. First thing, you're gonna move that plug from there. Then they have a special tool for that. Okay? But this one was made. I didn't make it, my co-worker, he made it. Alright? This was a rod from off a truck that he used, was the rod. It's a long rod. All you got to get the long rod and you bend the tip. The special tool that they sell on those tool truck look like this with the tip bent. The reason why the tip is bent, because you're going to push it right down inside the hole right there along with your light, and you're going to put this thing right inside the groove, and you're going to pull it towards you. Okay, it's very important. And be careful that you don't break the piece inside there. All right? You put this piece all the way down the side there. Pretty difficult, it is. See that? You pull it out. And that piece, it pops out. You see? There's a black piece in there. It is a round circle with a V shape in it. It's a round circle. You're gonna put this piece, the hook in a round circle, and you're gonna pull the hook out. And then this thing pops out. All right? Now, when you guys go to put this thing back in, just push this back in and push that black clip in and you're good. All right? This piece, hold this piece, it comes out. Now, all you gotta do is disconnect this wire, push this in, guys. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the video. Without you guys who subscribe and hit the like, this channel is nothing. For every last one of you guys who subscribe, I appreciate it. The channel is growing. Believe me, I appreciate it. With that said, you guys enjoy your Friday. Go have a drink. I'm gonna go have a drink. Y'all be safe out there. Let's keep the fucking roller coaster rolling, guys. Thank you very much. See you on the next video.